students, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to do the last paragraph of Unit 7, Sam and the Rainbow. So now I am going to read it. By now, Sam was very wet. He ran back to the house and told his father that he could not find the rainbow. So Sam was very wet because of the rain, and he ran back to the house and told his father that he could not find the rainbow. His father smiled and said, "No one can collect the colors in a bucket or a box. They form when the sun shines through the teeny raindrops." Teeny mean small raindrops. Then we see a rainbow, but it lasts only for a very short time. We must enjoy the rainbow while we can before it is gone. So students, in this paragraph we have learned about the Sam. Sam was very wet because of the rain, and he told his father about the rainbow that he could not find the rainbow. His father smiled and said, "This is not possible to collect the rainbow colors in a box because when the sun shines then it appears. Then we can see the rainbow because it is appear for a short time. So we must enjoy the rainbow while we can before it is gone." So now students, I am going to underline the dictation words of the last paragraph. You can see here, second last, rainbow. In the last paragraph the word is smiled, S-M-I-L-E-D, smiled. Now the next word is collect, C-O-L-L-E-C-T, collect. Now the next word is bucket, B-U-C-K-E-T, bucket. Next word is shines, S-H-I-N-E-S, shines. The word is tinny, T-I-N-Y, tinny. The last word is of the dictation, enjoy, E-N-J-O-Y, enjoy. So these are the dictation words we have to learn. After learn it, we have to write in any notebook, so then it will be easy for you. So now students, overall I am going to revise it of the Unit 7, Sam and the Rainbow. In this unit we have learned about the rainbow colors. There are 7 colors in the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and the last one is violet.